7 years after the nuclear holocaust that brought about the end of human civilization, a team of mutant human soldiers emerges to fight off the evil anti-physics cockroach king and his league of hard-shelled superbugs. Starring Curtis Williams as the Lifter, who can lift things 100 times his size, Antonella Montevano as Mrs. Explosion, who can blow things up with her brain powers, and finally, J.T. Bosch as the Jumper, who can leap tall buildings in a single bound, like Superman, except only the jumping thing. No X-ray vision or super strength or anything awesome like that. Coming soon to a classroom near you. Physics, the movie. At the maximum height of my jump, what is my gravitational potential energy, and what will my velocity be just before I hit the ground? Well, if I reach a height of 100 feet, or 30.48 meters, and then multiply that by my mass, which is 72.72 kilograms, and then again by the acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.8 meters per second squared, then we get a gravitational potential energy of 21,721.755 joules. And since we know that the energy before equals the energy after, we can determine that the kinetic energy just before I hit the ground is also 21,721.755 joules. And if we divide that by 1/2 my mass, then square root it, we should get a velocity of 24.442 meters per second.
I wonder what my velocity would be if this car exploded from underneath me. Well, if I weigh 56.7 kilograms, and the car weighs 1,481.4 kilograms, and the acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared, and I reach a height of 30 meters, that means I can find the velocity that I will reach as a result of the explosion. That means I can use the equation mass times gravity times the height equals 1/2 mass times the velocity squared to find the velocity. And my final velocity will be 124 meters per second.
I wonder if I can lift this car. Since the car weighs 2,700 pounds or 1,227.272 kilograms, and gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared, and I'd like to reach a height of 1.7 meters off the ground with the car, I can plug it all into the equation W equaling mass times gravity times height final minus mass times gravity times height initial. As a final result, the amount of work I'd need to lift would be 20,446.35 joules, which is nothing for my super strength.